Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2017 Ford F-150 Limited. The exterior color is black, and under the hood we have a 3.5-liter Ecoboost engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have LED daytime running lights, automatic high beams, fog lamps, power deployed running boards, and our 2 tow hooks. Over at the side we have 22-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Goodyear. We also have chrome handles and black mirror caps. This 2017 Ford F-150 Limited also comes with keyless entry and remote start. At the rear we have privacy tinted glass, a power window with embedded defroster, a rear camera with reverse sensing system, a power liftgate, and trailer tow package. At the interior we have loads of driver-friendly features, including tons of door storage, power locks, mirror settings, power windows, and 3 programmable seat options. As we move into the cabin, you will see our leather seating that is fully adjustable, including lumbar support. Over at our steering column we have our automatic headlamp, mirror lights, and foot pedal settings. We have a telescopic steering wheel with our cruise control settings to the left and our media and hands-free options to the right. Looking above, we have our rear view mirror, cabin lighting, and our options for a beautiful moonroof. This unit also includes 3 universal programmable garage door openers on the driver visor. Looking forward, you can see this pre-owned 2017 F-150 Limited has 59,372 kilometers. As we look ahead at our center face, you will see that we have many options available, such as audio, climate, phone, navigation, apps, and various settings. Just below we have our dual climate control area, which offers air conditioning and heating to the entire cabin, as well as cooled and heated seats for both passenger and driver to enjoy. Our middle console offers dual cup holders, our gear shift, and tons of room. At the rear, again, we have tons of door storage with power windows. This 2017 Ford F-150 comes with heated bench seating, and it has tons of legroom and headspace. If there are any more questions about this beautiful 2017 Ford F-150 Limited, do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. We would like to thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.